Neptune is a very windy planet. This distant icy giant is the eighth planet from the Sun and is known for its striking blue color, which is due to the presence of methane in its atmosphere. But what truly sets Neptune apart is its extreme weather. It has the fastest winds in our solar system. These winds are not just fast, they are incredibly powerful and relentless, creating some of the most violent weather patterns we have ever observed. These winds whip around the planet at incredible speeds. They can reach up to 1,500 miles per hour, which is more than twice the speed of the strongest hurricanes on Earth. The atmosphere of Neptune is a chaotic and dynamic place, with storms and winds that can change rapidly. Imagine a storm so powerful that its winds travel over 1,500 miles per hour. To put that into perspective, the fastest winds ever recorded on Earth during a tornado reached about 300 miles per hour. Neptune's winds are 5 times faster than that. That's faster than the speed of sound here on Earth. The speed of sound is about 767 miles per hour, so Neptune's winds are nearly twice as fast. This means that if you were on Neptune, you would hear the wind before you felt it, a truly mind-boggling concept. This powerful storm is called the Great Dark Spot. The Great Dark Spot is one of the most famous features of Neptune, similar to Jupiter's Great Red Spot. It is a massive storm system that has fascinated scientists since its discovery. It was first discovered by NASA's Voyager 2 spacecraft in 1989. Voyager 2 provided us with the first close-up images of Neptune, revealing the Great Dark Spot and many other features of this distant world. The Great Dark Spot is a massive storm system. It is similar in size to Earth and has winds that are among the fastest in the solar system. The storm is so large that it could easily engulf our entire planet. It's so big that it could swallow the entire Earth. This gives you an idea of the sheer scale and power of the storms on Neptune. The Great Dark Spot is just one of many such storms that rage across the planet, driven by its fast winds and dynamic atmosphere. Neptune's weather is a fascinating subject of study for scientists. Understanding the extreme conditions on Neptune can help us learn more about the dynamics of planetary atmospheres, including our own. The study of Neptune's winds and storms also provides insights into the behavior of other gas giants in our solar system, such as Jupiter and Saturn, as well as exoplanets orbiting distant stars. The extreme winds on Neptune are believed to be driven by the planet's internal heat. Despite being so far from the Sun, Neptune emits more heat than it receives, which creates strong temperature gradients in its atmosphere. These gradients in turn drive the powerful winds and storms that we observe. In addition to the Great Dark Spot, Neptune has other storm systems, such as the Small Dark Spot and the Scooter, a fast-moving white cloud. These features are constantly changing, making Neptune a dynamic and ever-evolving world. The study of Neptune's atmosphere and weather patterns continues to be an exciting field of research. Future missions to Neptune, such as proposed orbiters and probes, could provide even more detailed information about this distant and mysterious planet. By studying Neptune, we can gain a better understanding of the processes that shape the atmospheres of all planets, including our own. In conclusion, Neptune is a planet of extremes, with the fastest winds in our solar system. Its powerful storms, driven by internal heat and dynamic atmospheric conditions, make it a fascinating subject of study. The Great Dark Spot and other storm systems on Neptune are a testament to the incredible forces at work on this distant world. As we continue to explore and learn more about Neptune, we uncover the secrets of one of the most intriguing planets in our solar system. The Great Dark Spot is similar to Jupiter's Great Red Spot. Both are giant storms that have raged for many years. However, the Great Dark Spot is much bigger and spins faster than its Jovian counterpart. The Great Dark Spot is a fascinating example of the extreme weather found on other planets. It reminds us that our solar system is full of surprises. The Great Dark Spot is a mysterious storm. Discovered by the Voyager 2 spacecraft in 1989, this massive storm system on Neptune has intrigued scientists for decades. Unlike the Great Red Spot on Jupiter, which has been observed for centuries, the Great Dark Spot appeared and disappeared within a few years, adding to its enigmatic nature. Scientists are still trying to understand how it formed and why it spins so fast. The storm's winds can reach speeds of up to 1,500 miles per hour, making it one of the fastest and most intense storms in our solar system. Researchers have used data from telescopes and spacecraft to study the storm, but many questions remain unanswered. One theory is that the storm is caused by the interaction of different layers of Neptune's atmosphere. Neptune's atmosphere is composed mainly of hydrogen, helium, and methane, and the varying temperatures and pressures at different altitudes could create the conditions necessary for such a powerful storm. The interaction between these layers might generate the energy needed to sustain the Great Dark Spot. Another theory suggests that the storm is fueled by heat from deep within Neptune. Despite being so far from the Sun, Neptune has an internal heat source that radiates more energy than it receives from the Sun. This internal heat could rise to the surface and drive the storm, similar to how hurricanes on Earth are fueled by warm ocean waters. Regardless of its cause, the Great Dark Spot is a testament to the power of nature. Its transient existence reminds us of the dynamic and ever-changing nature of our solar system. The study of such phenomena not only helps us understand Neptune better, but also provides insights into the atmospheric processes of other planets, including our own. As technology advances, future missions to Neptune may uncover more secrets about this mysterious storm and the planet it calls home. Neptune is a very different place from Earth. It is the 8th planet from the Sun and the farthest known in our solar system. Discovered in 1846, Neptune is named after the Roman god of the sea, reflecting its deep blue color. This distant world is a fascinating subject of study for astronomers and scientists alike. It is a gas giant with no solid surface. Unlike Earth, which has a rocky terrain, Neptune is composed primarily of gases and liquids. This means that if you tried to land on Neptune, you would sink into its depths without ever finding a solid ground to stand on. The planet's gaseous nature makes it a unique and intriguing member of our solar system. Neptune's atmosphere is made up mostly of hydrogen and helium. These two elements are the lightest and most abundant in the universe, and they form the bulk of Neptune's thick, swirling atmosphere. The presence of these gases contributes to the planet's overall composition and behavior, influencing everything from its weather patterns to its magnetic field. It also contains small amounts of methane, which gives the planet its blue color. Methane absorbs red light and reflects blue light, creating the striking azure hue that we see when we look at Neptune from afar. This blue tint is one of the most distinctive features of the planet, setting it apart from other gas giants like Jupiter and Saturn. Neptune is a very cold planet. Located so far from the Sun, it receives only a fraction of the sunlight that Earth does. This distance results in extremely low temperatures, making Neptune one of the coldest places in our solar system. The frigid environment is inhospitable to life as we know it, but it offers a unique opportunity to study the effects of extreme cold on planetary atmospheres. Its average temperature is about -353 degrees Fahrenheit. This bone-chilling cold is due to the planet's great distance from the Sun, as well as its composition and atmospheric conditions. The temperatures on Neptune can vary, but they remain consistently lower than those on any other planet in our solar system. That's much colder than the coldest temperature ever recorded on Earth. The lowest temperature ever recorded on our planet was -128.6 degrees Fahrenheit in Antarctica. In comparison, Neptune's average temperature is more than twice as cold. This stark difference highlights the extreme conditions that exist on Neptune, making it a world of extremes in every sense. Studying storms like the Great Dark Spot is challenging. Neptune is very far away. It is the 8th planet from the Sun and more than 30 times farther from the Sun than Earth. This makes it difficult to observe from Earth. Scientists use telescopes and spacecraft to study Neptune. However, these instruments can only provide limited information. We need more research to understand Neptune's weather. Future missions to Neptune could provide valuable data. This would help us learn more about the planet's atmosphere and its storms. By studying Neptune, we can gain a better understanding of our own planet. Scientists are constantly making new discoveries about our solar system. With advancements in technology, we can expect to learn even more about Neptune in the years to come. Perhaps we will discover new storms, or even new types of weather phenomena, that challenge our understanding of planetary atmospheres. What are your thoughts on the Great Dark Spot and Neptune's extreme weather? Share your comments and questions below. Don't forget to like this post and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating journeys into the cosmos. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of Neptune's Great Dark Spot. Until next time, keep looking up and stay curious about the universe around us.